Today, we are going to talk about how to buy your first cryptocurrency, the step-by-step guide for beginner. First, we'll take a quick look at the crypto basics and the crypto language. And secondly, I will guide you through the step-by-step process I used to buy my first cryptocurrency. I'm going to switch to my laptop and share the screen with you, and we're going to go through this step by step. So this is the step-by-step guide for beginners on how to buy your first cryptocurrency. The topics we are going to be discussing today are, first, we are going to take a quick look at the crypto language and the crypto basics, so we understand the terminology and the crypto lingo. And then secondly, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process I followed to buy my first cryptocurrency. First, let's take a quick look at the crypto basics and the crypto language, the terminology used. So first thing we need to talk about when it comes to cryptocurrency, we need to talk about security. And you will often hear about the crypto keys and the seed phrase. So crypto keys, we have two types of crypto keys, public keys and private keys. Now, let's talk about what these are. The public keys are public addresses where you receive the crypto. When you want to receive crypto, so you want somebody to transfer crypto to you or to pay you crypto, then you have to give them this public address. This public address is generated automatically. When you select a certain crypto that you want to be paid in, you will click on generating the public keys, and then you will share those public keys with the person that will transfer the crypto to you. So in essence, the public keys, it's like a web address. It's a string of characters. And this is something that you need to give to anybody who would transfer crypto to you. The public keys are unique for each crypto in your portfolio. So you will need to generate a public key for each of the cryptos that you want to be paid in. So each cryptocurrency that you hold would have its own public key. So again, this is like a public address, like a website address. You give this to somebody and then they will pay you to this specific address. Secondly, we have private keys. So these are the keys that need to be kept secret, need to be kept private. These are the keys that basically provide you with security around your cryptocurrency. So the private keys are a private address that you use when you pay crypto. When you pay in crypto or when you transfer crypto to somebody else. So just keep in mind, the public address is when you receive crypto. So for crypto transfers into your wallet. And wallet is another term we will discuss shortly. The private keys are the private address that you need in order to pay in crypto or transfer crypto out of your wallet. That's why whoever holds the private keys has control over the crypto that is linked to those private keys. So you really need to keep the private keys very secure. You need to take good care of your private keys to make sure you keep them very safe and don't share them with nobody. Moving on, we have the seed phrase. So depending on whether you use a wallet that is a hot wallet, like a mobile wallet, or whether you use a hardware wallet, and again we will discuss this shortly, you have a sequence of 12 or 24 words that you need to write down, and this in conjunction with the private key is going to give you access to your crypto. So basically the seed phrase is something that you need to keep very secure, because in case you lose access to your private keys, you can use the seed phrase to regain access to your crypto. So you need to keep the private keys and the seed phrase very secure. These are the most important elements that give your cryptocurrency security. Okay, so in terms of how to buy crypto, you have a few options, and I'm going to go through these options right now. You can buy crypto in different ways. You can buy crypto direct on an exchange. You can create an account with a crypto exchange and buy crypto that way. And then you can decide to keep the crypto on the crypto exchange or transfer it into a wallet later on. Another option is you can just use a crypto wallet and buy the crypto directly from your crypto wallet, but this will probably connect you to a crypto exchange. When buying through a crypto wallet, you will most likely be connected to a crypto exchange, so you will complete the transaction there. Another option is on crypto wallets, you can get direct access to peer-to-peer transactions with other crypto holders. How to pay for crypto. So I used these two options. I used the credit card first, so I paid with a credit card on my first transaction, and I noticed that there was a cash transaction fee that was drawn by my bank. And then afterwards I started using the debit card, so I paid with a debit card and there were no more cash transaction fees. Okay, we are now getting into the more complex aspects to do with crypto language and the crypto basics. So in terms of how to store your crypto, you would have an option between hot wallets and cold wallets. So let me quickly go through this and explain the language. So a hot wallet is either a crypto exchange or a mobile crypto wallet. The reason why they're called hot wallets is because they are connected to the internet, they're connected to the web. It's also called a hot wallet because you keep the cryptocurrencies in the wallet with the intention to spend them or to use them in transactions in the day-to-day life. And one thing to keep in mind is that hot wallets are regarded as less secure compared to cold wallets. So for example, there were reports of crypto exchanges being hacked, suffering cyber security attacks, and you need to consider this when you make your decision. Also, mobile crypto wallets, they also arguably are prone to cyber attacks as well. So keep this in mind when you make your decision. Now, let's talk about cold wallets. Cold wallets are regarded as providing the highest level of security for your cryptocurrency. So we have paper wallets, and this used to be the predominant way people would store their keys on a paper back in the day, in the early days of cryptocurrency. And now we also have crypto hardware wallets. And these are devices that basically encode your private keys, which means you would store your crypto on a hardware device and away from the internet, away from the web. So in this situation, your device, which stores the crypto, private keys would be not linked to the internet, not connected to the internet, and arguably would not be prone to cyber attacks. However, there are also some risks involved with cold wallets. So for example, with paper wallets, the paper that the keys or the seed phrase are written on, that can be lost, or the crypto hardware wallet can be lost, can be stolen. So you need to keep these devices really safe and secure in order to provide you with security for your cryptocurrency. All right, so doing my research, I came across a number of crypto exchanges and a number of crypto wallets, and these are the ones I've researched. So in terms of the crypto exchanges, I've looked at Binance, I looked at Coinbase, eToro, and Gemini. And when I looked at them in terms of how many users they have, how secure they are, what fees they charge, to make sure that I keep the costs for the crypto transactions as low as possible. Then I also looked at crypto wallets, and there are many crypto wallets as well, and I've researched eToro Money and Trust Wallet. In the end, my decision was to go with Trust Wallet. Okay, so moving on to second point of the presentation today, which is the step-by-step process I followed to buy my first cryptocurrency. So I'm going to guide you through everything I did. So first off, I had to make a decision on how to go about storing the crypto once I bought it. So I had to decide and be clear in my mind how I want to go about storing my crypto before I even made the decision to purchase. So the decision I made was to have a part of the crypto balance stored on a mobile wallet or a hot wallet, and the other part of the crypto stored on a crypto hardware wallet or a cold wallet. So I wanted to make sure that I hedge my bets and then I take care of the security around the crypto. So once I made the decision and I knew I wanted to use a hot wallet to store some of my crypto, I decided to buy all of my crypto initially on a hot wallet and then later on transfer a part of it on a crypto hardware wallet. So what I've done, I first downloaded the Trust Wallet app. So what I've done, I've downloaded the Trust Wallet app on mobile. I've placed a crypto buy transaction for a token. I was directed to select from a list of crypto exchanges in order to make the transaction, and these crypto exchanges were listed in the order of best rates. So I was able to select the one with the best rate. And in that case, I selected Binance. And just a side note here that on Binance website, you see that they actually link to Trust Wallet as their preferred hot wallet for crypto. Now, while on the Binance crypto exchange, I was prompted to complete an ID verification. So that consisted of a passport photo and a selfie. And I think the whole verification process took about, 1 or 2 minutes tops. It was almost seamless, very quick and easy. And once that was done, then I completed the transaction. Then I was redirected back to the Trust Wallet app. And for I think about 3 to 5 minutes, the transaction was still processing. But after the processing was complete, I could check my cryptocurrency, in this case XRP. I could check the balance for it. And I could see that it was updated to reflect the purchase just made. Now, the reason I decided to use Trust Wallet instead of, for example, eToro Wallet is because when I was doing my research about what wallet to use and decided on using the Trust Wallet over using the eToro Wallet, the main consideration for my decision was, besides the security factor, it was the amount of fees. So I wanted to know, in terms of fees, which one of them charges less. I was surprised to find out that Trust Wallet doesn't charge any fee, which is great, and it's also open source. And eToro Wallet, at the time of my research, they were charging 0.5% of the cryptocurrency transferred into the wallet from an exchange. So it was clear to me I would go with the one that had no fee. One thing to point out is that with the Trust Wallet, and I imagine with any other cryptocurrency hot wallet on a mobile, Trust Wallet prompted me to create and save a PIN number and also a sequence of 12 words. So remember back in the presentation when we were talking about private keys and seed phrase. So the seed phrase, so the 12 word sequence that Trust Wallet asked me to write down and keep safe for security, that is in essence the seed phrase to access the cryptocurrency I bought on Trust Wallet. So probably you're going to go through the same process and you'll be prompted to write down a sequence of words. If you use a mobile crypto wallet, a hot wallet, you will probably have a sequence of 12 words. And so going back to my decision to have some of the cryptocurrency stored securely on a crypto hardware wallet, I've also researched a number of cold wallets or hardware wallets, and there were a number of brands available, and in the end I've decided to select and order the Ledger brand, and I'm going to show you in a bit the bundle I've purchased. So basically it looks like this. This is the bundle I bought, and I'm going to show you shortly how to order this as well. I also have an affiliate link in the box. I'm going to also show you how to order this, how to order Ledger, the Ledger bundle if you would like to try as well. I have a link in the description box. I'm an affiliate for Ledger, and I have an affiliate link in the description box in this video below. So please feel free to use that and support my channel. There's going to be no additional costs to you to purchase using the affiliate link below. And I hope you'll be pleased with this as I am. Okay, so next I'm going to walk you through the Trust Wallet, which is a crypto hot wallet, as discussed, the Binance crypto exchange, and the Ledger, which is a crypto cold hardware wallet. So I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you how to find them. Okay, so to get the Trust Wallet, you just go on your mobile and then you go on Google Play and then you search for Trust Wallet, just like that. And then you will get this Trust Crypto and Bitcoin Wallet. And you then proceed to install it, and then it's very easy to use, it's very intuitive, and then the screen is very simple. You will find an option to buy cryptocurrency. You will select which cryptocurrency to buy, and then you can proceed with the transaction. As I mentioned earlier, you'll be connected most likely to an exchange where to complete the transaction. Okay, this is Binance, which is the cryptocurrency exchange I was mentioning earlier. Going back to my step-by-step process, when I was on Trust Wallet and then I was redirected to Binance, on Binance, they needed to verify my ID, like I mentioned. And in that process, they prompted me to create an account. So obviously I have an account with Binance now. But as I said, I do not store my cryptocurrency on Binance Crypto Exchange. I store it on my Trust Wallet. All right, now what we have here is the website for Ledger, which is the hardware cold storage crypto device. Based on my research, this came out to be the easiest to use, the most cost-effective to use cold wallet or hardware wallet. And what I did, I actually went and bought a backup pack. This is what I purchased, and this includes a large cold wallet, which is called Ledger Nano X, and this is this one here, the tallest one, the largest one. And then it also includes the Ledger Nano S, which is this smallest one here. I think there's just this difference in size, and other than that, I think they have the same capacity. In terms of the screen, you have a smaller screen with this one compared to this one. I think there are some small differences in how large the screen is and perhaps the interface. But other than that, I would use both of them in the same way, more or less. And they probably have similar capacity to store crypto, and they use the same app. Now, I just wanted to say, when I ordered this on the website, I was expecting to receive an email confirmation confirming my order. I didn't receive that. I thought that was strange, but what I did receive, I think in a day or so, I received a text with the courier confirming that a delivery will be made in a few days. So I was pleased with that. I got my order delivered in less than a week from the day I placed the order. After placing the order with Ledger, I've got 3 or 4 emails from them, like a mini series with videos on how to use the Ledger. So I'm going to show you some of this. So this is the video on how to set up your Nano X. Let me play a little bit of this.
Let's get the Ledger Live app onto your computer.
So this is how the Ledger looks like in action.
PIN on the device. Use the buttons to find your desired number, then confirm by pressing both.
So you have all this information in here. Then you have another video on how to buy crypto with the Ledger. Okay, so you have another video on how to buy crypto, and then another video on how to receive your first crypto. So you'll receive all this from Ledger in your email once you've made the purchase. Ledger also has a YouTube page, and they have plenty of videos on how to use their Ledger. Okay, that's all I've got for you today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in one of my next videos soon. Take care for now.